What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Leticia, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking all about this little thing. So this is a sample of a makeup eraser. I saw on Instagram it's like free sample and the one thing that's actually free, and I was like, no way, nothing in this life is for free. What are they talking about? And I checked it out, and I literally didn't put any card info or anything. I just gave them my address, and then they sent me this. So it came in this cute little bag, and I mean, it was around Christmas time, so that's probably why they have a bunch of little Santa hats on. And then it also came with this little card, which has a discount saying, like, you know, if I want to buy the real thing, and how this helps save landfills of wipes, and it helps save, you know, the planet from using so much cotton balls, and like, basically this is an eco-friendly product that only requires water. So I'm really excited to try it out and see if it actually works. And then it says steps are 1, wet the pre-wash sample with warm water. I didn't pre-wash mine, but I don't see how it can make that big of a difference. I guess we'll find out. And then it says the wetter the better. And 2, in a circular motion, gently remove mascara, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, and more. And then step 3, be amazed that all your makeup was erased with just water. So I am the one who buys like Neutrogena wipes and all those kinds of things, and so that can like add up over the years, or I don't know, however long you've been buying those. So if this thing actually works, that's gonna be awesome. Let's find out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair up really quick. Alright. Get some warm water. Doesn't seem like the water is even sticking to it because it's like a
microfiber cloth.
Yeah. If I squeeze it, then the water sticks to it. But let's just go straight for the eyes. Maybe I should show the camera, huh? Yeah. Well, I mean, it's working like normally. Actually, I would say it's working pretty well on the eyeliner for sure. It's not like smearing it. I thought it was gonna like look like a huge mess. Let's try the eyebrow. Actually, I think that like one side is meant for cleaning and the other side isn't, but I think it's working actually really well. Oh my gosh, I think I actually love it. I definitely would want a bigger one. I mean, this is just like literally a little piece of the sample. The bigger one's probably like at least twice as big or 3 times as big. But
That looks pretty good.
I'm super impressed. I thought my eyes were gonna be like raccoon looking and all this stuff. Jeez, don't get so close.
But you're beautiful.
Oh, thanks, baby.
I'm
But
getting the details.
don't get the details.
Mm-hmm. Now I can get that booty too.
My shirt's not even tucked in. Alright, well, there you have it. I mean, you guys saw it yourself. I'm actually thoroughly impressed. I thought it was going to be a hot mess and a fail, to be honest. But it totally worked. I'm 100% sold. I'm going to use that discount and I'm going to buy one for myself. I think I'm actually going to throw this in the wash right now, and then tomorrow, because right now it's like midnight or 1 o'clock. Tomorrow I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after it's washed and if it completely cleaned off. Alright, so I just took it out of the wash and this is what it looks like. Most of the makeup did come off. Yes, I know, I still haven't done my nails. Leave me alone. But this shorter side right here is actually the side you're supposed to take your makeup off with. And this longer side, I mean, they're almost the same, but you could tell it's a little bit longer, like, fur. This is just to exfoliate your skin, so maybe that's why a little bit less makeup washed off, because you're supposed to wash your makeup off with this side. I'm really excited because I don't have to buy makeup wipes anymore, and I'm sure it's probably healthier for my skin because it's literally just water. It's not like I don't know what's in makeup wipes. I mean, I could look, but I just heard that it's not like that great if you just use makeup wipes and all those, you know, chemicals or whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, let me know if you guys want me to try any other makeup trends or any crazy things, or tell me if you guys think that you're gonna buy one, or if you are impressed, or if you have one. And thanks for all your support. P.S. if you're wondering how I got this look, if it didn't smear, I just like drew on some eyeliner and put on a little bit of mascara. Got some handy dandy coconut oil and I just rubbed it all over so it could trick you guys. I got you. But yeah, coconut oil takes off makeup too, but it's messy. So I would still stick with this.